Hello my creative people, I welcome you back again in this mind-blowing video where I'm going to show you how you can design a simple flyer for those who sell perfumes and other products. You can equally use this flyer as a sample for other products. Alright, if this is your first time watching my video or see my video, I will welcome you in my channel. In this channel I drop video on graphic design every day, and I urge you to subscribe so that you get more videos. You can check other videos. I have many videos on this channel already. You can check them out and see for yourself. So I urge you to hit the subscription button right now and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that anytime we drop you will get notification. Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can design a simple flyer like this. Alright, so let's just start. The first thing I would like us to do, let me keep this way. The first thing I would like us to do is to get our background. Alright, so here's for our background for those who are new to PixelLab. Alright, so you go there, then we are going to select a background from our gallery. So you click from gallery. Okay, then you can get this background using a Pinterest app. Alright, you can get the background using a Pinterest app. So I would like to get something like this. Alright, so I'm just cropping this image, this background from a complex background. This background actually you can use it for birthday flyer, but I want to crop this part for this design. Alright, so after cropping the part you click here. Okay, I think the height of our image is too small. Alright, so let's increase the size. Let it be equal. Just click there, then click on image size. Alright, let's select a good height for this. Let us make the height to be equal. So yeah, I think this is okay. Then click OK. Alright, so let's start designing. The first thing we're going to do is the text. I would like us to put all the text before the images. Alright, so let's go to text, which is here. Alright, come here for our text, then click on the plus sign. The first thing is elevate your presence with. Alright, elevate your presence. Elevate your presence with them. We are going to make it to be capital letter all. So just click here. That's the simple way. And click OK. Alright, so then let's resize. So this it is. Alright. Then we are going to keep it like this. Then I would like us to use grid for better alignment. So we go to grid. Then I'm going to remove the parts that I don't want by clicking here. So I don't need this. So anyone you don't need, just click on it, then you click on this one. It will be removed automatically. So only this one that I need for better alignment. Alright, it's okay. Then after doing that, just click here again. Alright. Now the next thing we're going to do is to change the color. Alright, so you go to color, you're going to give it a black color, and then probably we're going to change the font. We're going to font. Alright, so the font we are going to use for this design is this one here. Alright, that's the font. You click on it and click OK. So let's reduce the size of this one. Okay, I think this is okay enough. Alright, this is okay enough. Then the next thing, let's just copy it, because this DV tech here, which is the name of the person, alright, so it has the same font as this. So let's just copy it and then edit. So you have to click on this copy here, so that will copy the shape, the text. Then you click edit. So you have to delete this and then put the name. So this is the name of the person you're doing this for. Alright, ought to be in capital letter. Then make it to be bold. Then this one, now we are going to change the color small. I want to give it another color. So come to color, then we are going to give it this color. All right, this color. Yeah. All right. So then the next thing we're going to do is this scent. This scent has the same color as DVTech and the same font as DVTech. So this is just a simple way in which you can design your flyer to be more fast, so you'll be fast in your design. Alright, so it will not be everything you do you start afresh. So just copy that DVTech, then edit it and reduce the size. That's the simple way. Alright, so let's copy DVTech because it has the same color and the same font with that sense. So if you copy it, then you edit. Alright, I hope you get what I'm doing. So, alright, then this one should also be in capital letter. So let's make it to be capital letter. Then we now reduce it. Maybe you can use position this camera, so keep it in a better position. Is okay. Then the next thing, if you check the scent, there is a kind of spacing between those letters. It's too much, so we have to increase our spacing. All right, so you come to spacing, then increase it to any height you want it to be. I think this is okay. All right, then the next thing we're going to do is this shape that is here with the text. So you come to shape, then you're going to select a shape by clicking on shapes. Then this is the shape. Then this radius, we have to increase it. Let's get our, now it will be, I think this is enough. Then let's reduce this, to something like this. Okay, it's okay. Then let's give it a color which is going to be the same color as that DVTech and the scent. Alright, so let's keep it like this. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do now is now to add the text and dealer in all kinds of perfume. So let's be adding the text one by one. Of all kinds of perfume, roll on body spray, oil perfume and many more. Oil perfume and many more. Some full stops. Right. So now let's resize this so it will enter inside this. Okay, I think we should reduce this shape. It's okay like this. Let's reduce the shapes more. Yeah, it's okay like this. Then the next thing we're going to do now is this one down here. Let's get the text and everything there. So you come to shape. That's the first thing we're going to do. Then let's get the shape first. So we are going to give it the same color as that DVTech, which is this color. So let's place it like this. Then let's lock some of our elements by clicking here. Alright, then the next thing is the text. The first one says, for more tutorial tips, visit our YouTube at this. Okay. So this can be the address of the person. Alright. For more tutorial tips, visitors. So this should be the address of the person, maybe the house or the office. For more tutorial video tips, visit us at Digital Graphics. Then this will be on the same white color. Then you have to place it like this. I think it's okay. Okay, visit our YouTube channel. Okay, visit our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's resize this. I think I've gotten the correct text. Right, so I said this should be the address of the person, maybe number 1 is this at this Enugu state or whichever state or whichever country. Alright, so that's the first thing. Then the next thing you're going to do for this test is to put it at the center by coming to this relative position. Then we are going to click on this. That's the one we're going to click on. Then the next thing is now to add for more contact. So you are now going to add the contact info of the person, how customers can contact him. Alright, for more info, contact, then add your number. Let me just add my number. This can be number, email address, or anything that the person wants his customer to contact him or her with. Alright, yeah, you have to reduce this and then keep it this way. Then use relative position again. I think we are done. Let's move this one down small using position. It's okay like this. Then let's lock so that we enter into another aspect, which is going to be this pictures that is here. Alright, so now let's start with this one. I'm going to import, so I'm going to click on this and I would like to import the whole image once. So this is 1 2 3 4, so I'm going to click on this import 4 times. Then I'm now going to select the pictures that I want to use. Alright, so here is the first one, the second one, and the third one. So let me import the last one, which is going to be the 4th one. It's okay. Now let us start placing them the way they should be. Alright, here are the positions. Okay, let's lock these ones so that I will start with 1. Okay, I think this one should be rotated using this. You rotate it to get something like this. You can get this in using your Pinterest app. Alright, so this should be very small. From our design is very small. It is like this. I think we are done with this one. Then let's lock it. Then let's unlock another one, which is going to be this one that is in group. So this one that is in group has to be reduced like this. And then we are going to place it somewhere here. Then if you notice, there is a kind of shadow at the background. Alright, so how do we do this? So the easiest way to do it is just to come to draw. Come to draw. Then we are going to draw something. So this blur radius, increase it to the maximum. This smoothness, increase it to the maximum. Then you can increase the pencil size so that it will be faster for you. Then we are going to draw something like this. I hope you are getting what I'm doing. Then after doing that, you are going to send it to the back, at the back of this this perfume. So let's do that by coming here. Then we are going to drag this one at the bottom of this one. Alright, so you have to click on this place for you to do that. Then you have to drag it to like this. You can see it now. Then you can now use position and keep it in a better way that you would like. You can also resize it if it was too much. Alright, you can also resize it so you get what you want. I think this one is okay. Alright, so you can do your own to be better. This is just a sample for you guys. Alright, then the next thing is now this remaining two. So let's lock the one we have to. Then I'm going to work on this one and this big one. This one, it should be big, I think. And then I'm going to rotate like this. Alright, and I will keep it like this way. Then the next thing we are going to do is to draw again. We'll come to draw, increase the blur radius and also the smoothness and the pencil size. Then you are going to draw something like this. I hope you are getting what I'm doing. Then after drawing, you have to send it to back the same way we did the other one, like this. Then you can now use position to keep it in a better way. Alright, so I think this is cool enough. Then let's lock the two. Then the next, which is going to be the last one, is this one here. So let's unlock it. Then increase the size more. And this one should be at the back of this big one. Alright, this one should be at the back of this. So let's do that by coming here. It's okay like this. Now let's place it this way. This should be this way. Yeah. Alright, we have to draw again. It's okay. Then send it to the back, at the back of the perfume. Then you can now use a position in order for it to give it a better way. Okay, this is enough. Alright, so let's now lock the shape. Let's lock everything. I think we are done with our design. We have gotten a similar something. Alright, so this is just a simple way in which you can design this. Then after doing this, you can now remove your grid, alright, by just clicking on this. Then it will be removed. Alright, so this is just a simple way to design this. If this video was helpful, please make sure you subscribe if you have not, and turn on the bell notification so you get more notification anytime we drop videos. Alright, so thanks for watching to the end. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up before scrolling up again, and make sure to share it so that others can learn. Thanks, and see you in the next video.